Oh, Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yommycrochetlogy. So today's video is a tutorial for a Christmas bra that you can wear in the Christmas summer here in Australia. So these are the things that you need. We need a furry yarn, Luxe Fur. It's in the color of off-white. And these are the information. This is from Denmark, and the suggested sizes of the hook is 6 to 10 millimeter, and it's 100% polyester. This is what it looks like. It's so squishy. And also we need the main yarn or the main color. I have here a 10 ply 100% wool. The size of the hook is 5 millimeter hook, and it's in the shade of 315 or boysenberry color. Okay, and this is an Australian wool. And we need 5 millimeter hook and a 4.50 millimeter hook. The reason for that is I want to start with bigger hook as a foundation chain. It's because sometimes I'm quite tight in making foundation chain, and it's not just even, so I have to use bigger one. Start with bigger one. And a pair of scissors and embroidery needle, tape measure, use stitch markers, and fabric glue. So let's get started. I have here the first cup. I already made it. This fits for small to medium. So we will start our foundation chain with bigger hook. I have here the 5 millimeter hook. The reason for that is so we're not gonna tighten the foundation. Okay, so chain of 10 to start with. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so if you don't know what's a chain, please refer to the description box on the card above. And a chain of 1, so that makes it 11. Okay, and then make a half double crochet in the next 10 chain. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10. So we started with foundation chain of 10 plus 1, and we should also have a 10 half double crochet as the first row. And then we will replace our hook with smaller hook. This time we're using 4.50 millimeter hook. Okay, chain 2, 1 and 2, then turn your work. Okay, so we're starting the second row, and again half double crochet in the next few stitches until you reach in the middle. So 2, 3, this is the third half double crochet, 4, 5, and 9. Okay, so we have 9 half double crochets in this side, and then in the middle, that one there, that middle stitch, we have to do the increase and a chain. Okay, so increase means 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. So this is 1 and 2, and then a chain of 1. So chain 1 and again increase, or 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, so 2. Okay, so basically saying this is the increase part, and then in the other side do the half double crochet again until you reach at the bottom of your little cup. 3 and 4, and then we're here at the last, and then this is what it looks like now. Okay, so in the middle, the chain 1 space that you created, put the stitch marker there, so we will remember that that's where we will increase or put our 2 half double crochets, chain 1 and 2 half double crochets in that part. Again, chain of 2, 1 and 2, and turn your work. And the same pattern, half double crochet until you reach in the middle of your work. So 1 and 2 and 3 4. So we're here now in the last few stitches in this part or in the side, and then we reach in the middle of our little cup. Remove your stitch marker and again do the increase. So increase is 2 half double crochets in the same stitch, 1 and 2, and then a chain of 1, and again 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. Okay, so that's 1 and 2. Then put your stitch marker again in the chain space, one chain space that you created, and then the same pattern of half double crochet until you reach at the end of this row. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we're here at the bottom of our little cup. And be mindful to put your last stitch at the top of your 2 chain from the previous round. In that way we have a straight cup, or the bottom of our cup will be straight. So this is what it looks like now. It has a nice little curve in the middle and it's pretty neat and cute. And then the work should be back and forth, and then make increase in the middle, chain 1 and another increase. Okay, and then half double crochets all the way down, and then a chain of 2, and again half double crochet back and forth. Okay, until you're happy with the size or the coverage is enough for you. In my case, this is a 5.5 inches cup. It's good coverage and it's enough for me. Okay, and then this is my last row. I'll just have to make the increase in the middle. So increase is 2 half double crochet in the same stitch. So this is 2, and then a chain of 1 and another 2 half double crochets in the same stitch. And 2. Okay, and again half double crochet all the way down. So this is 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5, and then we're here at the end of this row. I'll just have to do a few stitches to close this off, and again the last stitch should be at the top of the 2 chain that you created from the previous round, just to make our work or our little cup's bottom straight. So this is enough coverage for me, and I have here my 2 cups already. Okay, so side by side this is what it looks like, and make sure it's facing you. The right side should be facing you. Okay, and then we will attach them with a slip stitch, just a simple slip stitch, and then make a chain of 1 and tighten that, and then you can snip off that yarn. Okay, that's how simple and easy to connect the 2 cups, and make sure that they're facing both in the right way. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is we have to make the straps here in the side, at the top, and the other side. So attach your yarn again in the side and make a chain of 85. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 85. So this is my 85 chain, and I will just work my way down again using a single crochet. So 85 chain, and then go back to where you started using single crochet, and I'll meet you at the end of this row. We're here at the end of this row now. We just single crochet our way down. I'll just close this off with few stitches, and then slip stitch to your cup, okay, to attach the string or the strap. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is the side strap. Okay, and then in the bottom you have to single crochet to reach in the other side of your cup. Okay, so just single crochet all the way in the other side. I know this is a raw or uneven stitches in this part because this is the cup's bottom, so just evenly distribute your single crochet to make it look nice and neat, and do that until you reach in the other side, and I will meet you there. So we're here now in the other side of the cup. I'll just have to do single crochets, few single crochets to close this off. Okay, And then now that we're here, we have to do the same thing here in this side. So we have to chain 85 for the side straps. Okay, so we're here at the end of the 85 chain now, and this is what it looks like. And again, we have to work our way down back to the cup using single crochet, just a simple single crochet, nothing fancy, just a single crochet all the way back to the cup. Okay, and I'll meet you there. Okay, so we're here at the end of this single crochet row, so just do the few single crochets and then make a slip stitch to attach it to the cup. So our 2 straps in the side is finished, and we can snip off the yarn, okay, to get rid of these long bits. And this time we will be working the neck strap. Okay, so tighten the yarn and attach the yarn in the top of the cup, okay, where your chain space is, and make a nice slip knot to secure the yarn. Okay, and then this time we have to chain 65. Okay, so 1 and 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, so make 65 chain, and I'll meet you there. So we're here at the end of our 65 chain now. This is for the neck, and again the same what we did in the side straps. We'll just have to single crochet all the way back to the cup to make a nice a little bit thick straps, okay, nice support straps. So single crochet your way all the way down to the cup, so pretty much 65 or 64 single crochet. We're here at the end of the single crochet row, so just single crochet and then slip stitch here. So we skip few stitches and snip off the yarn and tighten that yarn. Okay, and repeat this process or this straps pattern in the other side of your cup. Okay, and I'll meet you at the end of that procedures. So we're here now, we're done with our straps. We have 2 for the neck and 2 for the sides. It's just a basic nice little straps, and then get your fur yarn and your 5mm hook. We will be using 5mm hook, and we will attach it from the side all the way up, and again all the way up and down of your little cup, so around the cup. Okay, so I start in the other side or the side of the cup and make a knot. Okay, I hope you guys can see that, and then make a single crochet in every stitches possible that I can use. Okay, sometimes there are blind spots, like there are stitches that we accidentally skip because the yarn is a bit big and it's actually covering the stitches. So just make sure that you evenly distributed the single crochet using this fur yarn in all the stitches around or in the edge of the little cup. So make sure the straps is behind the fur yarn. Okay, you want it behind the fur yarn. Okay, and I'll meet you at the end of that. So we're here at the end of this row now, the last few stitches to attach this fur yarn. Okay, so just single crochet and then at the end make a slip stitch. Okay, and then we can safely cut off this yarn now. So this is what it looks like, the cup with the fur yarn. Okay, and then we can cut off the unnecessary yarn now and tighten that to close this off and secure the yarn. And this time we cannot glue this kind of yarn because it will stiffen and actually ruins the natural texture of the yarn, so we'll just have to wave the ends. Okay, wave the ends and hide the yarn in between stitches. So we're pretty much done attaching the fur yarn and all the straps. So this time I have here the nice stardust design for the cup. I have 3 in the other side and 2 in this side. I will add 1 more in this side with you guys. I have this lace yarn and embroidery needle. Okay, you can also use a normal thread or an embroidery thread, whatever is available, and attach it to your bra. So start stitching in the middle. Okay, so you have to have a center and secure your yarn or thread, okay, so they will not moved around. Okay, and then go back into the front and just make a line, like insert your your needle on the top and then on down. As you can see here, I'm actually making a line and make it opposite to each other, so I will know where is the next stitch. Okay, so I insert the needle in the middle and it comes out in the other side to make or to start the next line, okay, to mimic the stardust or the star. Okay, I hope you guys get my point. So as you can see, the needle will go in the middle and then come out in the side to have a straight line. Okay, so always insert in the middle and come out in the other side to make a line. And then we make a little knot in the middle, just tiny little knot, nothing fancy, no drama, just a little bit of knot. Okay, and then secure that knot by stitching back and forth in the same spot, and then at the back you'll just have to close it or secure it with the usual way you close your stitches. Okay, and snip off that yarn or thread, and this time we can glue this kind of yarn because this is not a fur yarn, this is a cotton, so it's fine. So we're pretty much done, and thank you so much for watching. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for staying with me and hope you guys enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. And see you next video. Happy holidays!